Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel for a relaxing after dark clean with me. We had company over to our house tonight and we made an absolute wreck of our home. So I hope you enjoyed this speed cleaning motivation. If you like these types of videos, subscribe to my channel. I put out new cleaning videos every Tuesday. I chose not to use disposables, number one, because they're not sustainable and I'm trying to be better about that. But, you know, come to think of it, like the amount of water that you use washing dishes, I don't know, it probably just balances out. But either way, I have a ton of dishes to do and I had thrown everything in the dishwasher before our guests got there to run. So I have to unload it before I reload it.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking.
My husband makes the best homemade pizzas. For Christmas last year, my parents got us a bread maker, so he's been making homemade pizza dough in it, and it's so good. And tonight he ended up going over to his friend's house to keep on hanging out with them after dinner, because we try to do like our own nights every now and then where we let the other person leave and one of us stays home with the kids. Right now it's just like the season that we're in, that I have to stay home with the baby more often, but soon when she's like 6 months old, we won't have to do that as much and she starts eating solid foods. So it'll be easier for me to leave for a little while, but I am here alone with both kids tonight. And right now I'm just setting a timer. I set it for usually like 10-15 minutes, long enough to watch like an episode of wind down TV, for Annie to sit on the couch and watch that while I clean up the kitchen while I'm holding the baby. And then when that's done, like when the timer goes off, she usually has no problem just going straight to bed. She's really good about that. She'll literally just like grab her blanket and walk into the room, wait for me to come in and say goodnight to her, and then she'll go to bed on her own, which is amazing because before this baby was born, she was having us put her down, like snuggle her to sleep every single night. So this is huge progress.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Once I put Annie down, I can take Larson into her room and rock her and nurse her so she's ready for bed. I got her all snuggled up in her pajamas, and I just try to really take my time in here and be as quiet as possible because Annie is kind of a light sleeper at first. Little things can wake her up, so I didn't want to just jump right back into cleaning, banging around dishes and everything, and then have her wake right back up, especially since I'm all alone, so I don't have backup. This stage right now, as Larson is becoming more aware, she is just all about me all the time. She wants me constantly. I've got to be holding her. I've got to be within sight, or she absolutely freaks out, which is totally exhausting, especially when you combine it with like the 4-month sleep regression that we're starting to experience right now. But I'm just trying to see the bright side in all of it, that I get to hold her and be so close to her, and that I'm her favorite person in the world, because right now Annie does not think I'm her favorite person in the world. She used to be such a mama's girl, and now she's all about her daddy and her grandmas and all the people who can leave the house with her and have fun. And since I'm pretty much latched to the baby all the time, I'm not that person for her. Everything fit in the dishwasher when I ran it, so I do have to hand wash a couple things now that I know Annie is good and asleep, and I can make a little bit more noise in the kitchen, especially these new melamine plates that I got. I'm so obsessed with them. They're so beautiful, but they are hand wash only, so I have to take my time and wash them by hand, which is like probably my least favorite chore. A lot of people really don't like laundry. I don't mind laundry. I cannot stand washing dishes. It just feels like it takes forever. But this was a couple nights after 4th of July, and if you see me looking out the window every now and then, our neighbors were putting off fireworks, which I thought would for sure wake up the kids, and it didn't. You know, probably all the sound machines and fans we have going on in our house all the time, but it didn't wake them up at all, and I got a nice little show right outside my window while I was washing dishes.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes.
It took me about 30 minutes to get everything cleaned up in the kitchen, which it felt like much longer than that. It felt like I was cleaning the kitchen for hours after having people over here for so long and cooking with Tanner. I was just really exhausted, but I knew that if I woke up to a messy kitchen, it was just going to start my day off on the absolute wrong foot. Every single night, I try to do at least a light cleaning of the kitchen and then set up the coffee to run so I wake up to coffee being ready. I'm such a coffee person. It's probably not the best habit to have, but if I don't do it at night, I just wake up and it feels like the most work just to get the coffee maker going in the morning.
There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
During the summertime, Annie likes to go to bed with the sun. Usually I can't get her to go to bed any earlier than 8:30 because if the sun is up, she is up. So it's really nice when we've already passed the longest day of the year, and I know every single day she'll be going to bed a little bit earlier, thank goodness, because at this point it was about 9:30 and I had still been cleaning the kitchen. I was just really tired. Normally I would like to watch a show or something like that, but tonight, after entertaining for so long, I was just really exhausted and ready to go to bed. So it was just a matter of getting as much done in the kitchen as possible and getting myself to sleep. Our routine with the baby lately is that I put her down for like a light snooze. I don't really put her in her bassinet. I just leave her nearby and she'll kind of be in and out of sleep for a while. And I don't actually put her all the way to sleep until I go to bed and I can give her one more good feeding because that will make her sleep longer. She used to only wake up once at 4 a.m. and now we're waking up multiple times, usually like at 1:30 and 3:30. So I'm trying to get her to sleep for longer stretches.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need.
When Tanner's home, my wind-down routine is usually to watch an episode of a show. Right now we're in the thick of Madam Secretary and we're both super addicted, but since I'm home alone, I'm really looking forward to just going to bed early tonight, and I'm going to make myself some milkmaid tea. This is kind of my favorite tea right now because I'm trying to keep my supply up and pump twice a day so that I can get a good freezer stash going before I go on vacation at the end of September. So I'm doing everything I can, having my majka and drinking my milkmaid tea to keep my milk supply up. Plus, tea is just such a nice way to wind down at the end of the day.
If you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Thanks for watching my cleaning channel. If you like this type of video, leave a comment, subscribe, like this video, and I will make more of them. I'd love to see you guys at my next video. I post new cleaning videos every Tuesday, and this summer I've been really trying to post multiple videos a week. Please let me know in the comments if you're still watching. I would love to know if you would rather have the posting schedule be Tuesdays and Thursdays or Tuesdays and Sundays. Whichever one you guys like better is what I'm going to do. I'll see you guys next time.
I can't tell.